All right, let's dive into making our fluffy base. In a mixing bowl, crack open those 5 eggs and whisk them together with 8 tablespoons of sugar until they're nice and frothy. Gradually add in 100 milliliters sunflower oil, 150 milliliters of milk, ensuring a thorough blend. Then, gently fold in pre-mixed dry ingredients, keeping that airy consistency intact. Once our batter is ready, it's time to bake. Pop it into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius and let it work its magic for 25 minutes. For our chocolate filling, let's start by warming up our sweet cream on the stove. Once it's nice and warm, we'll add in our luxurious chocolate, letting it melt into creamy perfection. While our chocolate filling chills in the fridge, divide the fluffy base into 2 to 3 pieces. For our red filling, let's start by simmering our fruit with sugar and water for about 10 minutes until it's nice and tender. Then, we'll add in 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to thicken up the mixture. Give it all a good whisk until it's perfectly blended and thickened to perfection. Blend the chilled chocolate filling and layer it onto the base along with the red filling. Feel free to decorate it as desired. Thanks for joining me on this delicious journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the love. Until next time, happy baking. Voila! Our chocolate masterpiece is ready to be devoured.